वोकल फॉर लोकल का इरादा कर लो, अपनी शहर की खुशबू से नाता कर लो. Good day to all my friends. This is Harsh Mishra with my teammates Akash Rai, Ayush Nath, Ajit Kumar and Prajal Bhatt. Today we all are here to explain you about a special topic organized by Niti Aayog. The topic is Vocal for Local. Vocal for Local team is prepared to explain you about how to emphasize local products globally and how to show the arts and tradition and culture of our country globally and emphasize them outside abroad to the country. How can we see the problem across us? The problem across us, what we see that the local products are not being emphasized over the country and are unknown to all the others. The clay pots, the traditional saris and many more are unknown to peoples. The problem faced here is the local products are lies on the shadow of multinational corporate companies. They are emphasizing us to purchase them. We are came across a powerful crossroad. One side lied familiar relying on mass product, emphasizing their products and mass product goods which people are using across the country. Our theme is to act to empowerment, resilience and prosperity to the community people who are making their skills and upgrading toward the countryside. Main cause here is that there is no such type of BG platform to emphasize their skill and there is no any kind of lack of awareness among them. So the main problem faced here among the farmers and the traditional tribals and poetry artisans, and further this will be explained by Akash.
Here are some of the effect of these problems on common people. First, we all know that our market is dominated by foreign product, and these foreign product came from big multinational company, and these contribute revenue to other foreign country, and hence our GDP of our country does not grow. So we also have a solution to these problems. We have designed a digital platform that will help local people to solve out these problems. First, this digital platform will connect all the people to across the whole nation. This will provide a way to communicate other people, sell their product and express their ideas. And rest of the features of this digital platform will be explained by Ayush Nath.
हर एक चीज़ में देखो मेहनत और प्यार कर लो हिस्सेदारी देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने में. By this slogan, I want to explain about the features of the DG platform. First feature that a demo class and mentorship is available that helps those tribal people who are not able to understand, and the simple animated videos are available to understand better, and these videos are available in the various languages, so everyone in the country India able to understand, and it is easy to transport, and it is easy to use by everyone in this country, and the rest of the things of the benefits is explained by the Ajit.
लोकल को तुम आवाज दो, देश की नुकसान बढ़ाओगे. I am here to talk about the benefit of this digital platform. There is lot of the benefit of this digital platform. Some are here, like it's connect the local people to the digital world and it overcome the foreign goods. Next one is it give the employment to the unemployed people, and last one is it promote the local people like vendor, artisan, and all and other things are explained by my friend Prajwal.
So here अपने हुनर को पहचानोगे जब तुम इसे अपनाओ. So here I am here to explain the functionality of that. So here we see there is a tribal basket shop and there is a lamp maker and also a painter who are find difficulty in selling their product. So this app connect all this to the single person who is nearby his businesses. This person are easily able to get their product with the help of Android phone. So now we see the mock-up app of our idea, which explain how this idea help the local people. So here we provided a simple language translator which help us to provide different languages, Whereas here simple watch here is a demo classes were given. Simply we can access this page by simple click. Here also for sign up. Here also for sign up there is a simple get started button were given, from where we simply add email and password and we simply log into it. So there is a question, why everyone choose this app to for their selling product or local product. So the answer is this app provides nearby businesses and also provides the browsing features of product. We can, with the help of this, we can directly message to the owner and ask the quality of the things. Here it provided a multiple language support and also it supports the grow of business, because in this app there is mentorship was given by the people. So this is about the app. In last I would like to say that every remember when you purchases a thing that the story behind the local product, and if you purchases a thing, the investment is the dream of local people. Thank you.